cracking YouTube? Eastern PA Fishing here. You know what it is by now. We're down at the Wissahickon Creek once again. We're going to be doing a little trout fishing today. We're going to catch some fish. It's going to be a good episode, so stay tuned. And if you can, go down below and slam that subscribe button. Eastern PA Fishing here. You know what it is by now. Let's get right to the fishing.
Oh, that's one. Got him. There we go. That's a nice trout. Dang, that's a nice one. Oh, man. Looks like he really wolfed that down, guys. There we go. We really wolfed this one down, guys. See if I can get him unpinned without killing him. Oh boy, got him out. He's bleeding a little bit. See if I can revive him. Oh, there he goes. Wow. Alrighty. Took right off like a rocket. We can get another, guys. Oh, there's another. Dang, that was fast, man. There's another nice one, too. Dang. Man, this one's feisty. Dang, another nice rainbow. This one's hooked a little better. Oh, careful, bud. Move her in the shallows so he can't get away. There we go. Another beautiful rainbow. Dang, they're munching today. Hold up. Oh. Dropped a worm. He's right on the lip though. Get him free. There you go. Another beautiful fish. These guys are kind of hard to hold, but awesome fighters. There we go. Alright guys, seems we're pretty dialed in right now with this little power worm. Last two casts, we got 2 fish, so let's do another cast. Let's see if we can get another. Be pretty crazy. We got 3 fish and 3 casts. Alright, little pink power worm. Do not fail me now. Seems to be right where they're all at. Right there in that little area. There's another. Dang, guys. A lot of fish here. It's number 3. Get him over in the shallows. Can't get away. There's a little guy. Here we go, guys. That's number 3. Right out of this little pool here. Just rubbing on this little trout worm. Oh, dropping him. Get this fish back. He's ready to go. Little circle hook comes right out. Whoa. Oh, there he goes. That's number 3, guys. Here we go. Get this guy over to the shore. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's another. Dang, it's cast after cast. That's a nice rainbow. Come on, you're not getting away from me this time. Oh, what is this fish doing? Got me all over the place. Come on, get up there. There we go. Man, that's a nice fish too. Half tempted to take you home, bud. There we go. Another beautiful trout. Back in the creek. Someone else wants them, they can have them. Alright guys, it's gonna wrap it up for me here today. It's did a lot of fishing. It was a real long day. Caught a whole bunch of fish. Hopefully this is actually going to turn out to be a really good episode. Once again, if you guys haven't already, please scroll down below. Hit that subscribe button. Helps me out and the fish like it as well. Eastern PA Fishing here. You know what it is by now. Keep on fishing.